Hi, Anna here again. Welcome to another video from Snob. I hope you enjoy this one. What if I told you the next breakthrough material for your phone or electric car won't be discovered by a human scientist? For centuries, material science has been guided by human intuition, educated guesses, experience, and slow experimental iteration. That era is rapidly coming to an end. Today, artificial intelligence isn't just helping scientists work faster. It is surpassing human intuition entirely, identifying atomic structures and chemical compositions that were previously unimaginable. In this video, we're looking forward, beyond the present, to explore what comes next as AI begins to design the materials that will define the future. Material discovery has always been constrained by human limitations. There are more possible materials than atoms in the observable universe. Every variation in element selection, atomic arrangement, crystal structure, environmental condition creates a new candidate material. Human scientists navigate the space using theory, heuristics, and intuition, powerful tools, but deeply limited ones. AI does not face this constraint. It does not tire. It does not prefer familiar solutions. It does not avoid strange combinations. And that changes everything. Here's the critical shift most people underestimate. AI does not improve linearly. Every material it evaluates becomes training data. Every simulation improves future predictions. Every failed candidate sharpens the search. This creates an exponential learning curve. What took decades of human research now takes years. Soon, months. Eventually, days. Material innovation is no longer gated by lab time. It's gated by compute and imagination. And both are scaling fast. Historically, humans discovered materials by chance. Steel, silicon, plastic. We found them, then learned how to use them. AI flips this entirely. Instead of asking, what materials exist? We now ask, what properties do we need? Then AI works backwards. Strength without weight. Conductivity without heat loss. Durability without toxicity. Efficiency without rare resources. This is the birth of designer materials, matter engineered with purpose from the atomic level up. Designer materials are not incremental improvements, they are bespoke solutions. Imagine batteries optimized specifically for cold climates, construction materials that self-heal microfractures, electronics materials that dramatically reduce energy waste, medical implants that adapt to individual biology. These materials are not discovered in nature, they are designed for context. And AI is uniquely suited to that task. The human brain is extraordinary, but it evolved to recognize patterns at human scale. Atomic-level optimization across millions of variables is not a natural cognitive task. AI thrives here because it explores vast combinatorial spaces, optimizes multiple objectives simultaneously, accepts counterintuitive solutions, learns from failure instantly. This isn't creativity versus computation. It's complementarity. Humans define goals. AI explores the impossible paths between them. Once AI-driven material discovery reaches critical mass, a feedback loop emerges. New materials enable better chips, better batteries, better sensors, better AI hardware, which in turn accelerates AI training, simulation accuracy, discovery speed. This is a self-reinforcing acceleration loop. Material science stops being a bottleneck and becomes a force multiplier. This is not abstract science. AI-designed materials will quietly reshape daily life. Your phone lasts longer, charges faster, runs cooler. Your car travels further, weighs less, uses fewer rare materials. Your home uses less energy, lasts longer, requires fewer repairs. You may never hear the material's name, but you will feel the impact. With this power comes responsibility. AI can optimize for performance without regard for environmental cost, ethical sourcing, long-term degradation, systemic risk. That's why human oversight remains essential. The future of material science is not AI alone. It is AI guided by human values, policy, and intent. You don't need to be a chemist to understand this revolution, but you do need to stay informed. Because AI-driven material discovery will influence energy policy, climate strategy, manufacturing, technology access, global competitiveness. Understanding the direction of this shift is no longer optional. It's literacy for the next decade. Human intuition built the modern world. AI will build what comes next, not by replacing human intelligence, but by extending it beyond its natural limits. The future of material discovery will not be slow, accidental, or constrained by imagination. It will be deliberate, accelerated, and designed. And that marks one of the most profound transitions in the history of science. If you want to understand how AI is reshaping not just software, but the physical world itself, subscribe to Snobbots. Because the future isn't just digital, it's engineered.